So children, go to the fifth problem in multiple choice model paper and MCQ model paper 1. The fifth question. So the 10th term of the arithmetic progression. So this question belongs to arithmetic progression chapter. So you remember all the formulas. The 10th term of arithmetic progression, you have to find the arithmetic progression is given as -3, -1, 1 and 3. Option is given: A is 20, B is -21. So I'll take another pen. So B is -21, C is -15 and D is +50. Now we have to find 10th term. So they give first term, second term, third term, fourth term. You have to find 10th term. So A10 you have to find. So either you can directly apply the form, that is AN plus AN is equal to, using this general term, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Or if you know A10 is equal to, simple thing is A plus 9D, you can write down. So if they ask you 8th term, then you should write A plus 7D. So one less than the term, you have to multiply the common difference. So A is first term here. A is first term. So A is -3 first term. 9 into D. So D is the common difference. So common difference is any term, subtract the previous term. So you can common difference, you can take it as A2 minus A1, second term minus first term, or third term minus second term, or fourth term. So anyhow you can do. If second term minus first, second term is -1 and minus of first term is -3. So you should be careful when the minus sign is there. So -1, -2, +3. So signs are different. -1, +3. You have to subtract to the greater number sign. Greater number sign is plus here because 3 is the greater number here. So you have to subtract 3 minus 1, 2, plus 2. So if you think that you are getting confused with negative sign and all, you can take positive numbers. You can take A4 minus A3. A4 is 3 minus A3 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. So here we can do. So the common difference is 2. So D is 2. So 9 into 2. So first multiplication, -3. 9 2s are 18. So again signs are different. Subtract 18 minus 3 is 15. Put the great number is plus 15 it is. So option D is correct. Okay. So in case if you try to -15, then you write option C, it is wrong. So you should be careful. Well, opposite sign, subtract which sign you have to put, greater number sign always you have to put. Okay, so this is the solution for the 5th one. Now we'll go to the 6th problem. The 6th problem is the nth term of an arithmetic progression is given as AN is equal to 7 minus 4n. You have to find a common difference, you have to find. The option is given as A is 4, B is -4, C is 3 and D is -3. Now very important, now this is general term, this is general term, nth term of an AP is 7 minus 4, but we say nth term is AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So this is also nth term, this is also nth term, don't get confused. So this is nothing but simplified form of this one. After substituting A and D common difference, what value we get, that is given. So they are not given the first term and common difference. We have to find a common difference. First term also not given. Just after substituting these two terms, what equation we get, what term we get, nth term, that is given. So both are same. This is simplified form, that's all. Okay. So we have to find common difference. So we want the common difference means same thing. So if find out any two terms, subtract. So we find first term and second term. So how to find first term? A1. So wherever n is a substitute with 1 here. 7 minus 4 into 1. So A1 is 7 minus 4. A1 is 3. First term is 3. So now we find A2. Wherever n is there, let's write down. So here n I'll take it as 2. So A2 is equal to 7 minus 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. So 8 minus, sorry, 7 minus 8 is -1. Common difference is a2 minus a1. Minus 1 minus is here, then a1 is plus 3, so written plus. So signs are same. Signs are same means you should add 1 plus 3, 4, and put both signs are same, so you put whatever sign is given, you should put here. If both are plus, plus, both are minus, minus. Only if the signs are different, then you have to go for which is the greater number sign, and that sign you have to put and you have to subtract. Okay, so this is the sixth solution for the sixth MCQ. If you go to the seventh one, if 4 comma a comma b comma 28 they are in AP arithmetic progression, then you have to find the value of b here. You want to find the value of b. So if you want to find the value of b, you have to know two things. Any term you have to find first term and common difference. The first term is 4, to find the common difference. So this is the first term and this is 28 is the last term. Fourth term is the nth term, last term. So you can use that formula that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the fourth term. Okay. An is 28. A plus a is 4 plus n is 4 here, because I'll write one more step so we get confused. Or directly you can write it as a4 is equal to a plus 3d. Fourth term is last term, I write a4 is equal, directly I have written here. Or you can use the formula an is equal to that formula, so you can use. So this an is 28 here. A fourth term is 28 is equal to a is 4 first term, 3 into common difference we don't know, let us write as it is. Take 4 this side, 28 minus 4 is equal to 3 into d. So this becomes 24, cross multiply 3 here. 3 ones are 3 here. So common difference we got now. We know the first term and we know common difference. You can write this b is third term. What is the third term is nothing but a3 is equal to a plus 2d. A is 4 plus 2 into 8. 4 plus 2 8 is 16. 4 plus 16 is 20. Okay, if they ask a means it's second term, a plus 2d you can do. We got a common difference. 4 plus 8 is a common. If you add common difference, the next term 4 plus 8, that is 12. Again add common difference, get third term 12 plus 8 20. So that also you can mind only can calculate and write it. Or you can subtract 8 from the, if you come from reverse order, subtract the common difference. 20 minus 8, common difference 20 minus 8, 28 minus 8 is 20. That will get the value of b. So there are many ways to do. So whichever easy you find, you can do in that method. Okay. Now go to the 8th problem. Two arithmetic progression has the same common difference. The common difference is same. If the first term of the first progression is 5 and the other progression is 8, the difference between their third term is the two APs there. So first AP, the third term is given as, I'll write as a plus 2d. So here the first term is given as 5 plus 2d. Let us write equation 1. For second AP, you have to find difference in third term. So third term is again a plus 2d. Okay. So if we're getting this is also a3, this is also a3, get confused, you can write this as one as a3 dash, you can write as a dash. D common difference is the same, so d will be d only as it is, without any change. So what will happen? You can write this as a3 dash. First term for second one is 8. 8 plus 2d. Let us write equation 2. We have to subtract, define the difference between these two. So difference or the difference between these two, take the highest bigger number always. So 8 first term is bigger first term. So we will take 2 minus 1. We have to find difference. So 8 plus 2d minus, by of putting bracket because 2 terms binomial, 5 plus 2d. A plus 2d plus into minus, remove the bracket, multiply minus into plus minus 2d. So the common difference same, plus 2d minus 2d cancel. 8 minus 5 is 3. The given option as 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the option is correct. Well, the common difference is, if you see the difference between, what is the difference between first term 8 minus 3, sorry 8 minus 5 is 3. So same common difference will be for, because common difference is same, so same difference will be for the fifth term, difference between the fifth term, 10th term, whatever you take it will be same. Okay, so the difference between is 3. That your, this is the solution for the 8th MCQ. We'll go to the 9th one. The sum of first 10 terms of an arithmetic progression is given with the formula. Again, the given Sn form is n is equal to 3n square plus n. Then find third term. Now we know sum of 10 terms formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or for last term is given n by 2 into a plus l. So this is our sum of n terms, this is our sum of n terms. Again, this is nothing but the simplified form of this after substituting a and d. Without substituting n, or substituting a and d, what equation we get, that is this one. Okay, so don't confuse again. So we have to find the third term. What is this third term? A3 you have to find. So the option is given as 14, option is 14, B option is 16, C is 22 and D is 42. Okay. So we want to find the third term. To find third, again first term and common difference. A and D you have to find. So we take S, sum of first term is nothing but, sum of first term is, we need two terms to add. Because there is, when I say S1, sum of one term cannot add, so that will be only the, if I say S1, that is nothing but first term, A1 or A, all three are same. So we substitute here 3 into wherever A1 is there, n is there, substitute with 1 into 1 square plus 1. That gives you 3, 1 square is 1, 3 into 1 is 3 plus 1, that is 4. Sum of 1, that is nothing but first term, this is nothing but first term only. So what is second term? Sum of two terms we will find out. 3, now we got first term common, first term as 4, now we have to find common difference. To find common difference we will not D. So to find D we need A2, second term. That is what you will find. So S2 is equal to 3 into 2 square plus 2. 3 into 4 plus 2. 2 square is 4, that is 12 plus 2. So S2 is equal to 14. So this is not second term but sum of two terms this is. Sum of two terms means this is A1 plus A2 is 14 here. Sum of two terms. So A1 we know, first term we know it, we got it as 4. So 4 plus A2 is equal to 14. So A2 is equal to 14 minus 4 or A2 is 10. Second term is 10. So first term we know, common difference is A2 minus A1. It is 10 minus 4. I think where we went wrong. Let us see. Four, 3, 4 are 12. It is 14. Correct. There you one. We have to find the third term. It is correct. 6 on. Because I thought common difference, but we have to find third term. Okay. Now D is 6. Common difference we got here. How to find third term? Third term is very simple. Again, write it here. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. A is first term 4. 2 into common difference 6. 4 plus 2, 6 are 12. 4 plus 12 is 16. Option B is correct. So you may think that for one more multiple choice we have to do all this one. But if you can calculate in mind also, how quickly you can do it. For explaining I took some time. Okay. Otherwise, what is the other shortcut to do is the formula, that is S n plus 1 minus Sn gives you An. So sum of any term, then minus, if you take for sum of one term, then this will be sum of two terms, gives you the first term. Okay, so if you take sum of, to get your